Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about Vinalert. Vinalert is an essential service for those who buy a used car. The Vinalert report provides important information about the vehicle's history, which can help prevent the purchase of a problem vehicle. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remembering that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do. What is it? Vinalert, an essential service for those who buy a used car. Buying a used car can be a great option for those who want to save money or find a specific model that is no longer available at dealerships. However, it is important to take some care not to fall into a trap. One of the main precautions is to conduct a survey on the history of the vehicle. This can be done through a vehicle history check service such as Vinalert. Vinalert is a service that provides information on vehicle history, including previous owner details, registration of accidents, record of robberies, record of floods, review of maintenance. With this information, the buyer can get a better idea of the condition of the vehicle and avoid unpleasant surprises. Vinalert is an affordable and easy-to-use service. Simply enter the VIN number, vehicle identification number, to get the report. Report is emailed in minutes. Benefits. The benefits of Vinalert are as follows. Protection against vehicles with hidden issues. Vinalert's reports can help consumers avoid buying a vehicle with hidden issues such as accidents, damage, or recalls. This can save money on repairing or replacing the vehicle, as well as avoiding possible safety risks. Valuable information about the vehicle. Vinalert's reports provide valuable information about the vehicle, such as the history of ownership, the number of miles ridden, and the specifications of the vehicle. This information can be useful for negotiating the price of the vehicle or making decisions about the future of the vehicle. Affordable price. Vinalert reports are affordable and can be obtained for a much lower price than reports from other companies such as Carfax and AutoCheck. This makes Vinalert an attractive option for consumers with a limited budget. Here are some specific examples of how Vinalert can benefit consumers. A consumer can use Vinalert to check if a vehicle has been involved in a serious accident. If the vehicle has been involved in an accident, the consumer may want to negotiate the price of the vehicle or even give up the purchase. A consumer can use Vinalert to check if a vehicle has been recalled. If the vehicle has been recalled, the consumer may want to take the vehicle to a dealership for the recall to be corrected. A consumer can use Vinalert to check a vehicle's ownership history. If the vehicle has been owned by several people in a short period of time, this may be a sign that the vehicle has problems. In general, Vinalert is a valuable tool that can help consumers make informed decisions about buying a vehicle. Conclusion. If you are thinking about buying a vehicle, Vinalert is an essential tool. With a Vinalert report, you can be sure you're making a safe and informed purchase. With just one VIN number, you can access valuable vehicle information including history of ownership, accidents and damages, recalls, number of miles run, specifications of the vehicle. The cost of a Vinalert report is only $9.99. It's a small investment that can save a lot of money and headaches in the future. So, what are you waiting for? Visit the Vinalert website today and start protecting yourself from buying a vehicle with hidden problems.